In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Wingardium Leviosa in Hogwarts Legacy. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Wingardium Leviosa is a helpful spell in Hogwarts Legacy that lets you levitate objects. This can be used for puzzles and just for interacting with things around the world. So, to learn Wingardium Leviosa, you will have to head to Herbology class, make your way to the greenhouse, and attend one of those classes. A short cutscene will play, and you will be able to talk to Professor Garlic. After the cutscene, speak to who will teach you Wingardium Leviosa. Follow the spell learning, and after you acquire it, just make sure that you have it properly equipped on your spell casting list or bar. Now, once you have it equipped, target and cast. So aim at a highlighted object. You will be able to notice highlighted objects by the borders around them. This can be a crate, a bunch of items, skulls as you can see here, and various other interactive things around the world map. So once you are aiming at this highlighted object, cast the spell by holding R2 or the right trigger. Alternatively, using Accio on an object will also activate Leviosa as it pulls the item towards you. Now, once the object is levitating by holding down on the right trigger or R2, it is going to levitate and move towards you alongside you, so you can control the object. Use the right stick on your controller to raise or lower the object by moving it up or down. And like I said, it is a key spell for exploration and puzzles. You are going to use it to move objects to reach new areas or active mechanisms, place objects on pressure plates, and collect items out of reach. So always keep it handy because it is useful and you will use it through the entirety of Hogwarts Legacy. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Wingardium Leviosa in Hogwarts Legacy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.